Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the new feature on itslearning where you can assign an itslearning assignment to an individual student, a couple of different students, or even a whole class period if you need to. Now this feature is only incorporated in the assignment tool at this point. I know a lot of you have been using folders and changing the permissions on folders to where maybe your bridge students or a group of your students only have access to that folder and are the only ones who can see it. This is a similar concept. It just allows you to do all of those permission settings essentially within the assignment without having to create a separate folder. So this could be really helpful if you wanted to give a specific resource to only a handful of students, maybe your bridge students, if you wanted to give specific students a review activity, or you wanted to give students maybe another chance to do an assignment. So the way to do this, a couple different things. If you already have the assignment made, you can change the settings there to where it only goes to specific students, or you can start from scratch. So if I'm starting from scratch, I'll click the Add button and select Assignment. And then from there, I will go through my normal process for making an assignment. I have to give it a title. All right, I type out my instructions, and then over here on the right-hand side is where this setting is. And it's the same if you already have made the assignment. It's over here and it says assigned to, and it has a little person in a cap and gown there is the icon. So by default, it's set to where all course participants have access to this assignment. When you click create, they can go through and answer it and turn in their work. But if you wanted to change that, you would click change, and it would bring up all the participants in your class. Now I only have 2, so it's not tons of them. But if I wanted to give it to only specific students, I could select those students here, maybe one by one, or if I wanted to click a certain class period. So if I already had a group made, maybe from the registration tool, making a course group from there, or if I'm pulling from the ones that are already made automatically from PowerSchool. If you're a secondary teacher, then all of your class periods are delineated out here. I could select that class group and click Save. And I can also go back and add more people to it if I needed to, but it shows me here who it's assigned to. And I would click Create Assignment. If I've already made the assignment, instead of saying Create Assignment, it would just click Save because it's trying to save my changes. I click Create or Save. And there we go. So it shows me that only those students have access. And I had 2 students in my class. Only one of those students is in this group I assigned it to. So he is the only one who could see this assignment and answer it. So it's the same concept as permissions. Only the students that you give the assignment access to are the ones who can see it and submit it. The other students don't even know that it's there, and it won't show up as a to-do list item for them. So that's a helpful resource there for helping to manage some of your workflows. If you have questions, let us know.